Why did Bill Gates meet Dolly Chaiwala? Bill Gates is a very rich and famous man. He started Microsoft, a big computer company. He travels to many places and likes to meet different people. He also shares photos and stories on social media. Dolly Chaiwala is a man from India. He makes and sells tea, called chai, on the street. But he is not like other tea sellers. Dolly Chaiwala is special because of his cool style. He wears colorful clothes, sunglasses, and many rings. He also makes tea in a fun and stylish way. Many people like him and watch his videos online. He became very popular on social media. One day, Bill Gates came to India. He wanted to learn more about the people and culture. He also wanted to see how Indian people do small businesses. So, he met Dolly Chaiwala. When Bill Gates met Dolly, he smiled and watched him make tea. Dolly made tea in his usual fun way. Bill Gates looked happy and surprised. He took a photo and shared it on the internet. He said it was a great experience. People were very surprised to see Bill Gates with a tea seller. The photo became very popular. Many people talked about it online. This meeting showed that famous people like Bill Gates can enjoy simple things, like street tea. It also showed respect for small workers and their talent. Dolly Chaiwala became even more famous after this. So, Bill Gates met Dolly Chaiwala because he wanted to learn about different people, support small businesses, and enjoy a fun cup of tea.